Ready to transform your Etsy shop from a hidden gem into a bestseller magnet? This tutorial will unlock the secrets of eRank, your ultimate guide to skyrocketing your Etsy sales by diving deep into keyword mastery, listing perfection, and crushing your competition. First, let's conquer keyword research. Navigate to the keyword research tool within eRank here. You'll discover what buyers are actually searching for. Type in a core idea for your product, say personalized dog tags, and eRank reveals a treasure trove of related terms, their search volume, and how competitive they are. Focus on keywords that have a good balance of high search volume and manageable competition. These are your golden tickets to getting discovered. Next, it's time for listing optimization. Head over to eRank's listing audit. This powerful tool analyzes your existing listings and provides actionable insights. It checks your titles, tags, descriptions, and even your pricing strategy, highlighting areas for improvement to make your products irresistible to shoppers. Pay close attention to the tag recommendations. Using all 13 tags with relevant, long-tail keywords can dramatically increase your visibility. Ensure your description is also packed with those same keywords naturally. Finally, let's talk competitive analysis. Understanding your rivals is key. eRank's competitor analysis feature lets you see what's working for others in your niche. Explore their top-performing listings, the keywords they're ranking for, and their pricing strategies. Use this intelligence to refine your own offerings, find untapped opportunities, and consistently stay one step ahead. By mastering these eRank essentials, you'll attract more customers and watch your Etsy sales soar.